Today we are talking about a wonderful idea that combines creativity, sustainability and home decor best out of waste. This concept is all about taking old, unwanted and discarded items and transforming them into something beautiful, useful and inspiring. In almost every home, there are items that often end up forgotten in a corner or thrown easy away. Empty bottles, old wooden boards, jars, buttons, jute rope, dried twigs, pine cone, and many other materials are usually considered waste, but with a little imagination and often efforts, these simple objects can become stunning pieces of art and decorations. This process is often called upcycling. Unlike ordinary recycling, upcycling gives an old object a new purpose while increasing its value and beauty. It allows us to create something unique without spending a lot of money. Think about think about a simple glass bottle, old wooden craft, and old wood board. Most people would throw it away after use, but if you wrap it with jute rope, add some pearls or lace, and place fairy lights inside, it instantly becomes a beautiful decorative lamp. What was once considered trash is now a charming piece of home decor. The same idea is applied to old wooden boards. Instead of discarding them, they can be cleaned, painted, and decorated with flowers, bottles, candles, or rustic ornaments. These simple materials can be transformed into elegant wall decoration that add warmth and character to any room. Buttons are another great example. Many people keep old buttons in drawers without knowing what to do with them. But by arranging colorful buttons into shapes like flowers, hearts, butterflies, or tree, you can create beautiful handmade artwork that look creative and professional. Nature also provides wonderful materials for crafting. Dried twigs, branches, pine cones, and leaves can be used to make rustic decoration when combined with fairy lights, jute, or a small decorative accent. They create cozy and elegant pieces that brings natural beauty into the home. One of the greatest benefits of upcycling is that it helps protect the environment. Every item we reuse is one less item that ends up in a landfill. By giving old material a second life, we reduce waste and make better use of its resources we already have. Today, more people than ever are embracing eco-friendly lifestyle. Handmade and recycled decoration have become increasingly popular because they are unique, affordable, and environmentally responsible. Many people prefer handmade items because they have personally and tell a story. Another wonderful aspect of best out of waste projects is affordability. Home decor stores often sells decorative items at high prices. However, many similar designs can be recreated at home using inexpensive or recycled materials. You can sell it on many sites like Etsy, eBay, and many more. Creativity often matters more than a large budget. These projects are also an excellent opportunity to spend quality time with family. Parents and children can work together on simple crafts, turning everyday objects into meaningful creation. It's a fun activity that encourages imagination and problem solving skills for many people. For many people, crafting is more than a hobby. It can become a source of income. Handmade decoration are often sold online at local markets and through social media platforms. A simple recycled bottles or wooden board can be transformed into a beautiful product that people are willing to purchase. Crafting also provides relaxation and stress relief when we focus on creating sometimes. Crafting is also provide relaxation and stress relief when we focus on creating something with our hands. Our minds become calmer. It allows us to take a break from daily worries and enjoy the satisfaction of making something unique. The beauty of upcycling lies in the endless possibility. There are no strict rules. Every project can be customized according to personal taste and available materials. What one sees as waste, another person may see as the beginning of a masterpiece. Sometimes the most beautiful decorations come from the simplest material. A few buttons, a piece of jute rope, an old jar, or a handful of twigs can be transformed into something extraordinary with a little creativity. So the next time you are about to throw something away, take a closer look. Ask yourself, it can be painful. It can be painted, decorated, repurposed, or transformed into beautiful, useful, and beautiful. You may be surprised by what you can create. Remember, creativity is not about having expensive materials. It is about seeing possibility where others see waste. Every old project has the potential for a new beginning. Thank you for listening. Keep creating, keep recycling, and keep turning waste into wonderful works of art. See you in the next project. Goodbye. We will definitely try to upload. What do you want to watch? What do you want to see? We will definitely try to upload beautiful and best designs and ideas. Thank you. Be a part of this journey. Have a very nice and very good day. God bless you all. Take care of yourself and your family members. Thank you. Be a part of this journey. Thank you for listening me. Keep creating, keep recycling, and keep turning waste into wonderful works of art, and create something new and different. Obviously, we will definitely try to upload beautiful and best designs. Thank you. Be a part of this journey. Thank you for your amazing response. Good day. Today we are talking about a wonderful idea.